Hello everyone, and welcome back to Hobbyist Artist. Today we're drawing one of the most memorable classic cartoon characters from the Looney Tunes universe. Pepé Le Pew, if you're a fan of vintage cartoons and love learning how to draw iconic characters, then this tutorial is just for you. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Every week, I upload easy step-by-step drawing tutorials featuring classic cartoons, superheroes, anime characters, movie icons, and much more. Let's begin with a light pencil sketch. Start by drawing a simple oval for the head and another larger shape for the body. Using light construction, lines makes it easy to fix mistakes before adding the final details. Now let's draw Pep's adorable face. His large cheeks, rounded nose, and friendly smile give him his unmistakable appearance. Keep the eyes simple and expressive. And don't forget the white stripe running from the top of his head down his back. Next, sketch the ears and the fluffy hair on top of his head. These little details make the character instantly recognizable. Now we can move on to the body. Pepé has a slim body with short legs and long arms. Keep the proportions simple and cartoon-like. Draw his open arms as if he's greeting someone with confidence. One of the most important parts of this drawing is the giant fluffy tail. Use long, smooth curved lines to create the large tail shape. Then add the signature white stripe flowing through the middle. This feature is what makes Pepé stand out from other cartoon characters. Once the sketch is complete, begin outlining the drawing using darker pencil lines or a fine liner. Carefully trace around every important detail while keeping your lines clean and smooth. After finishing the outlines, erase all the unnecessary construction lines. This makes the artwork look much cleaner and prepares it for shading. Now it's time to add shading. Since Pepé is mostly black and white, focus on creating soft shadows around the arms, under the chin, and near the tail. These shadows give the drawing more depth without making it too complicated. As always, remember that drawing takes practice. Don't worry if your first attempt isn't perfect. Every drawing helps you improve your skills. And consistency is the secret to becoming a better artist. Classic cartoon characters like Pepé Le Pew are excellent subjects for practicing clean line art and simple shapes. Our Pepé Le Pew drawing is now complete. I hope you enjoyed following this tutorial and learned something new today. If you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love drawing. Also, tell me in the comments which classic cartoon character you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching Hobbyist Artist. Keep practicing, keep creating, and never stop drawing. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy sketching!